Good morning, children of class 4. Today we have composition of objects. Out of three objects, we can choose two and you get them overlapping. So, first we have to draw the any two of these three. Find the shapes, how they are. See cross direction and also cross, and this is also cross. These are also cross. In that way we have to draw the lines. And book. So this is wider, this is lesser, its length. Actually they look same when you go near them, but when we see before the book, that other edge of from the book will be looking smaller. Yes. We'll begin book. Less, more. This area larger, less. This is called perspective. You are watching before this. You stood before this of the book and away from this. So less and bigger it will be looking. Oval. This. Now make it little darker. This also cross. So drawing is over. Then start painting. In the step 1 and 2 we drew some unwanted lines. You have to erase. So this part is we cannot see. Why? Because this part is behind the book, so that part we should not. can show light to dark, two shades. Next, blue is there. This is wet. When we fill color here now, both may mix because they are not dry up. So in place of this, you can go for next place of the object. So this is brown, use light brown color. Next dark brown is there, this dark brown.
జూమ్ మీటింగ్ మీకు ఆన్ చేయడం వచ్చుగా తెలుసుగా
నాకా వచ్చుగా అంతగా కరెక్ట్గా రాదు.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది నాకు మీటింగ్ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ద హోస్ట్ టు స్టార్ట్ ద మీటింగ్
బుచ్చిబాబు తాజు కరెక్ట్
అది ఇక్కడ ప్రశాంతంగా ఉంటుంది అందుకనే కూర్చుని
వాళ్ళకి వెళ్ళొచ్చండి, పిలిచి చెప్పు నేర్చుకొని వచ్చేయండి.
చెప్పి అడిగాను నాదే మరి
నేను ఎక్కువ డౌట్లకు వెళ్తాను వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి. Next we also use blue children. Make it light. The same blue. So next to come for the book, the same brown or red color, this is red color, use for the cover. I am using two shades of one color, light and dark. Like here the same red I applied, here it is light, I am getting dark here. Like two shades. This is called monochrome work. But using one color, getting different shades from same color, those are light and dark, is called monochrome. So next we should not fill color here and there, here or there. Why? It is wet. Again you will fill color wet color little with water with the color. So go for any other part for the beside object. This is yellow and orange, so yellow and red are mixed. And this is orange. Mix it. Fine. Next, this is complete brown. Dark brown is given there. Still we can increase in dark using black mixing in brown to get darkest. Next color is blue. Again here also blue. So light shade is there, that you mix it with water. The same work again also there. Use light blue and mix it with water to become lighter. Now so brown is given here. See, both are wet. I made a mistake, so both are mixing. So sometimes we do hardly know, because of that reason that colors will be mixed. So we should wait for dry up what colors we fill in the beginning. So this should not be there. We also can remove like this with water. See, here still it is mixed. Now so there are no highlights in the paintings on this object, on that object, so I did not leave the highlights. Directly one single color, little difference is there using colors. Now we have to get outline with our pencil. Children, directly you can get the with outline later. Now we will fill it with background light blue, or we'll take light green. Light background I'm using. Again the color is light, little darker, little bit. Now start making dark lines all. So use your 10B pencil. Actually after drying, complete drying, I have to start, even you too, but there is no time. It should complete within a few minutes by using our WhatsApp video. So I had to start early. So do dark line. The dark line cuts uneven edges and it gives a lot of beauty to this drawing. And also this book, for these cross lines we also can use scale or freehand. In place of this we also can use marker or sketch pen. So thank you children for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed. This is going to be finished. Take care.